Oh, this is scary.
This is
Hi, little bird. Hello. Oh my god. Why is this scaring me so badly? It's just a
Because he has
small
rabies.
little
Oh my
bird.
god. He's gonna kill me. He wants my hair tied up. No!
Shit. Bird.
He's scaring me. He attacked us earlier.
Oh my god! It's chasing us! It was chasing us!
I'm terrified. You're like normal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kill us.
Oh my god! No, leave me alone. He's chasing me. Stop being mean.
Zoom in.
Stop screaming. Is he over there still?
Yeah, he is. Zoom in. Holy.
He's hopping over here.
It's horrible. This thing hates us. You have an idea? Oh my god. It's evil.
This is a very bad bird. Oh my god, he's on the street.
If he gets ran over, I'm not gonna feel bad.
Nope. Why is he following us?
He wants to kill us. Run. Follow me.
He's following. You're a scary bird.
You're a scary little bird.
It can't even get up there, I bet you.
Okay, it'll fly. There it goes.
See, it's not even gonna get up here. Hello. I don't even think it can fly very much. Whoa!
Holy.
Jesus.
He's evil.
Bird is evil.
Come on, let's go across the street before it
What is wrong with you? I'm confronting the bird.
Get to the path of safety.
Where'd it go?
I suggest turning it off now because I think we lost him.
I don't think so. It's right there.
I see him. That bird is evil.
That's a scary bird. Oh god, he's on the sidewalk.
Come on, we were going to go to the path, weren't we?
Why does this bird hate us?
Run to the...
I've never seen a bird act like this.
Maybe it's because he feels threatened.
So he's like this big. He's like this big.
Yourself. Push I've done a pretty good.
Oh, it almost hit you
He
too.
was charging at me. He judged me. He doesn't want me on the path.
Or, I don't know. It was a bad bird though. Jeez. Leave you in peace.
Peace, man.
We come in peace.
Come in peace, bro. Come in peace.
Seriously, what's wrong with it? We didn't do anything to you. You almost touched me. What is wrong with that bird? You even went in there.
Shiitake mushrooms.
Shiitake.
Mushrooms.
Whew. What is this thing?
The bird is evil. If you ever see it, kill it. I
Yeah,
won't feel sorry.
very bad bird.
Horrible. Oh god. Okay. If it makes it over the fence, we can go now. Wow,
We're free! We're free!